Hey guys, staying safe online is more important than ever. Today, I'll show you how to secure your Gmail account and protect it from hackers and scams. Let's get started. First, open your Gmail account. Click on the top right corner to access the settings and choose Manage your Google account. From there, head over to the menu on the left and click on Security. This is where all the magic happens. Start by enabling two-factor authentication. This might seem like an extra step, but trust me, it's worth it. When you enable it, Google will send a code to your phone every time someone tries to log in from a new device. Even if someone somehow gets your password, they still won't be able to access your account without that code. To enable it, just click on two-step verification and follow the setup process. It's quick and adds a powerful layer of protection. Next, set up recovery options. Make sure you've added a backup email address and phone number. Think of these as your safety net. If you ever forget your password, or worse, if someone tries to hack your account, Google can use these details to verify that you're the real owner. Double-check that they're up to date, because you don't want to find out the hard way that your recovery email is an old one you no longer use. Now scroll down a bit to the Your Devices section. This is where you can see every device that's currently logged into your Gmail account. Look at the list carefully. If there's a device you don't recognize, or maybe it's your old phone or laptop, just click on it and select Sign Out. This ensures no one else has lingering access to your Gmail. Next up, check the third-party apps that have access to your Gmail. Right below your devices, you'll find a section called Third-Party Apps with Account Access. These are apps or websites you've allowed to connect to your account, maybe to log in or sync data. Over time, this list can get long with apps you no longer use. It's a good idea to remove access for anything you don't trust or need anymore. Less access means less risk. While you're here, enable Enhanced Safe Browsing. This is a security feature that protects you from risky websites, downloads, and links. It works in the background to keep you safe from potential threats without you even noticing. Now, let's talk about managing your passwords. Scroll down to find the Password Manager option. If you've saved your Gmail password on browsers or websites you no longer use, remove them. It's better to use a password manager for storing and organizing your passwords securely. These tools also help you create strong, unique passwords for every account, reducing the risk of being hacked if one of your accounts gets compromised. Okay, back to your Gmail account. Let's deal with spam emails. Spam might seem harmless, but they can carry harmful links or attachments that compromise your security. When you spot a spam email, mark it as spam by clicking the Report Spam button. Gmail's filters will then handle similar emails automatically. While you're at it, go to your spam folder and delete everything. This prevents you from accidentally clicking on something malicious later. Speaking of emails, let's talk about phishing. These are tricky emails designed to steal your information by pretending to be someone else, like your bank or a trusted company. How can you spot them? Look closely at the sender's address. It might look official at first, but have small changes, like extra letters or weird domains. Also, check for spelling mistakes or generic greetings like Dear User. If something doesn't feel right, don't click on any links. Just delete the email. Want to keep your inbox clean? Use Gmail filters. Head to Settings, then Filters and Blocked Addresses. Here, you can create rules to automatically sort emails into folders or mark them as spam. It's a great way to stay organized while avoiding clutter. Finally, check your account activity. Scroll to the bottom of your Gmail page and you'll see Last Account Activity. Click on Details. This shows you when and where your account was last accessed. If you spot any suspicious logins, secure your account immediately by changing your password and signing out of all devices. And that's it. By following these steps, your Gmail account will be much safer, and you'll have peace of mind knowing your data is secure. If you found this helpful, give this video a like, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more tips on staying safe online. Thanks for watching. and I'll see you in the next video.